this very strong feeling for you. There'll be this kind of feeling that keeps recurring in my mind that you're my girl. Honestly, I believe everything that the activity and the event that put us together was divinely destined for me to find my missing. Please. I want you to be my girl. Please don't say no.
Just stand up first. People might see you. You know this is road. Just stand up.
No. I cannot stand. I have to be here until you look me in the eye and tell me yes. Please.
Okay. I'm looking at your eyes now. And they are beautiful. Your eyes are beautiful.
Is that supposed to be a yes?
Okay, yes.
I noticed. Don't mind my dad. My dad doesn't have any problem. Yeah. So when am I going to see you again?
Very soon.
Is that a problem?
Yes, very soon. Don't miss me so much. Alright.
And one no you Matthew chapter 10 verse 10.
Alright, baby, take care. Bye.
Hey, my guy. My guy, so like this, you don't knock this girl like this tomorrow, no day.
Bro, it's not for you. For God chapter 10 verse 10. Nimakwa. My bro telemundo now.
Chai!
See, my papa only caught eye for the girl. I tell you. The caught eye the giver. Yeah. Come on. Get that now. I'm going to Sewah. Kina Kodi.
Time!
June, July. What be 10 minutes? June, July.
Okay. That's very nice.
Where is my chicken?
Boss, the remaining chicken where they there for my Okuma.
So why you go dey yarn like this? Now why you go dey talk like saying you small pikin? Say the remaining chicken. Now for your Okuma, I don't understand.
I found my plenty chickens down, so who go still call on me now? You go. Not for you. Not for you. Better don't do another one. You go try.
See it? She go still go to the other side.
Ada! Adanda! Ada, where are you?
Ogechi, I'm here.
You would not believe what I saw.
Why are you panting like the heavens want to come down?
Okay, let me tell you. I saw your boyfriend with another girl.
Wait. My Sewah?
Of course.
With another girl? No. Where?
I saw them on the road. It seemed she came to visit him. And he was seeing her off. They even kissed.
Wait. See, the Sewah that I know, like my own Sewah, can never ever cheat on me.
I even tried to check the girl's face, but she doesn't look familiar.
Are you sure?
Very sure. I know what I saw. I'm not a kid.
At the backyard.
Sewah has stolen my own chicken.
Yes.
How did you know? I saw it. He took the chicken and I wanted to shout.
He threatened me. He said if I shot him, he will deal with me. Sewah has stolen my own chicken. The chicken I tie at the backyard.
Yes, after he took the chicken, he fly the fence.
What is wrong with this Sewah now? Why is it Sewah this or Sewah that? Is it Sewah that we are going to be talking about in this village? Are we going to run away from this village because of Sewah? Sewah this, Sewah that.
Mama, won't you do anything about it?
Of course I will do something. Let me go. No. Where is that criminal? Where is that criminal called Sewah? Where is he? Where is he? Where is that criminal? Where is that criminal called Sewah? Wait.
Come on, what's wrong with you? How dare you come into my compound, begin to bark like a dog? What is your problem?
Where is your son? Where is your son, Sewah?
Is that why you didn't give anybody respect?
Your son, Sewah, came to my house and stole a chicken I bought to use and cook for my in-laws. Is it good?
Stole with chicken? My own son. You're labeling a thief of chicken. Eh? Look at this one. How dare you accuse him? By the way, how did you know it was your chicken? Couldn't that chicken have been a runaway chicken? From nowhere?
No, I saw him when he stole the chicken. I wanted to shout, but he asked me to keep quiet.
I must come here.
You see, why did you not shout? Why didn't you raise a alarm? Eh? Did he have a gun? Or he used a charm on you?
No.
So what are you talking about? No. Carry your daughter and go away from my compound.
I won't step an inch until your son pays me my money. I won't.
Do I own this compound with you? For you to say you're not stepping out here? Oh, my God. In the month on there, where the cement, wherever. It's not a good. How much? Tell me how much. Let me go.
Nah, your son stole my chicken. Pay me my money. Hey!
Woman. Look on what people see me. Eh? What do you think that I understand the man to eat? I don't know. Let's see if you got your dog and eh? Who never puts me case now? I bet that I know my German medical. I wouldn't get together. The way the people is. Eh? Woman. Eh? Check out what that tissue paper, the baby, if you're your tissue. You're geek, you always sit down, sit down, you always get it. Now, what the need? I'm going to carry a can equal to where I can tell. Oh, I want to go. I want to look and we'll lunch.
Sewah kudo, Sewah bajonwa, Sewah bokempi, Sewah bunyuri, agwaya de roma. Sewah bajonwa, Sewah bokempi, Sewah bunyuri, agwaya de roma.
Hey, stand up.
What's up?
Who was that girl that visited you yesterday?
You know Numbers chapter 1 verse 21.
Remember that no girl has the right to visit me in this house except you. So what are you talking about?
But I was told a girl visited you yesterday and you even kissed her on the road. Who was she?
I didn't go anywhere yesterday. So I'm surprised, like, by the way, who told you all this?
You're cheating on me. Well, since you said nobody visited you, I believe you.
Let me take this one, babe.
Since when?
Hello, handsome. How are you?
I'm fine, baby. I was just lying down before your call came in.
Oh, you're flattering me, right? You.
How can I? So, how are you doing?
You're fine. Not really fine. I'm just bored in here. My dad, he went to fix his car. I'm just alone at home. I wish you're here with me right now.
I'm already imagining crazy things.
Really? I love crazy things now, eh? Seriously, let me make your reality come fast. I love crazy things. Okay, I'll give you my direction tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Sure, I can't wait to have crazy things with you. Trust me. Okay.
Okay, no problem. It's nothing. See you tomorrow then. Bye.
So it's true. It's true you've been cheating on me, right?
Don't tell me that you've been here listening to our conversation.
I heard everything you said. You even told her you can't wait to be with her. How dare you?
Wait. Adanna, wait. Adanna. I beg you can go. What is all this? We're even tired of voting.
Jesus, Omekanaya, I worship you today. Jesus, Omekanaya, I bow before your throne. Jesus, Omekanaya, I worship you.
Good afternoon.
How are you?
I'm fine.
You have a very beautiful voice.
Thank you.
Hi. Is your sister in or has she gone to work?
No. She's dressing up for that.
Okay.
Let me tell her that.
Good afternoon.
Hey, oh my God.
I wasn't expecting you.
No, you see, I went to market to sell my palm oil. You know, and I saw something beautiful I thought you would like. So I decided to get it for you.
Hey. You brought this beautiful gown. Yeah. This is beautiful.
I'm so glad you like it.
Of course, thank you so much. Thank you. Ah. Thank you. Thank you so much. Oh.
Okay, I will have to leave you to prepare for work, right? Because I also have supply to do the renovation.
I'll have shift. Yes. Thank you so much.
are you doing? What are you doing?
I'm sizing it.
Listen, this is a special place. Don't go close to it. When I'm here.
Sister, please, sister, please, let me try it. Let me try it, sister, please. Why are you crying? What happened? Talk to me, what happened?
You were right. I just found out he's been cheating on me.
It's okay. Stop crying. I told you, but you didn't listen. What do you want to do?
I don't know, but I need to know who that lady is.
How do you want to know who she is? She doesn't look like one from the village. She looks like one from the city.
Sewah.
Hello? Oh, okay. I'll be there in a jiffy. Okay, hold on, I'm coming. Okay. I need to be fast about this.
You're welcome to my house. I'm so happy to see you around. Let's go in.
You're welcome to my house. So, what can I offer you?
You don't need to worry yourself. You alone is Psalm 25 verse 5.
Oh, please, stop it.
Hey, Mama.
But see, even at that, you still need to take something.
Well, okay. Anything goes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hope you didn't find it difficult to play this place.
Well, not really, but yeah.
It's okay.
So, how about your dad?
My dad, he went to the bank to do some transactions. Drink. I have a surprise for you.
Yeah. Come on, I'm here.
Hope you don't mind.
No, not at all.
Yeah.
Hey, oh my little child. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
No.
I know too. It seems you're going out.
Yes, I want to go and supply palm wine to one of my customers.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Can I go with you?
Why not?
So where's your bicycle?
Oh, it's behind there, you know, it's faulty again. The back tire is faulty, yes. I guess it's as a result of the road I followed yesterday when I was going to supply palm wine to my customer. The road was really rough.
Okay, yeah. I'm so sorry about that.
It's okay, it's okay, it's okay.
But my love, once you repair your bicycle, I would like you to teach me how to ride.
No, I would gladly do that.
Thank you.
Sewah, 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 Sewah koto, Sewah bajong, Sewah bokempi, Sewah bonyori, agwayade mama, Sewah bajong, Sewah bokempi, Sewah bonyori, agwayade mama, Sewah, 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 Sewah koto, Sewah, 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 Sewah koto.
Oh, baby. Oh.
Mazimbane fonna sewa, buritaya donyori, sewa maritego, ebena ya kusele. Minane unatapacha, mwane zeanya namba. Hi,
so well.
Really? I love you. Hope you enjoyed it.
Enyiga mute, madaga mutafa mada, aguga mutago, hey. Amurori tinobara, ipusia sirike, nanyo biye pure pusia. Amurori tinobara, ipusia sirike, nanyo biye pure pusia. Sewah, Sewah, Sewah. Sewah, Sewah bajong, Sewah bokempi.
I don't want to share you with anyone. Seriously. That's my baby.
Sewah bonyori, agwayade rama. Sewah, 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 Sewah koto. Sewah, 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 Sewah koto.
Don't worry yourself. You can always come to my house anytime, any day, anytime you wish.
Sewah koto, Sewah, 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 Sewah koto. Mazimbane for Sewah's father is a retired robber. Like a father, like son, Sewah is taking after his father.
Is this not that same girl? Sewah told us he wanted to knock and she refused. And it's the same this idiot. This Otenko that interrupted our time. Or do you know what that is? Are you thinking about it? In fact, let me call. Let me
Excuse me. What's up? What? How? Where? It's all no problem. I'm coming back. I'm coming now.
Baby, hope everything is okay.
Yes, sure, everything is fine. Just a small problem that I can clear when I get there. So you know.
That's my dad's car. Good afternoon, Dad.
Aha, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
I go, Ibo.
Daddy.
You now have a companion.
Yes, Dad.
Young man,
Sir,
who are you?
my name is Sewah. I'm the son of Mazi Mbane.
Okay, Ichi Mbanefo.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I know him. Okay, I go, Ibo.
All right, bye.
Okay, bye. Thank you, sir. Bye-bye, sir.
The wages of sin, is death. Parents, be careful, because your children are watching and learning from you. In all you say, in all you do, they are watching and learning from you. Criminal parents will most likely give birth to criminal children. Oh, if care is not taken, it will remain in the family. Oh, it will surely end in pain and sorrow. Tomorrow, it will surely end in pain and sorrow. Tomorrow, the wages of sin, is death. The wages of sin, is death. It's death. The wages